how your lunch can actually help you look younger? Yep, you heard that right. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your midday meals into your secret weapon for glowing skin and a healthier, more vibrant you. So grab a snack, or better yet, prep your lunch with me, and let's dive in.
Chapter 1. Key components of a low-speed aging diet. Okay, let's talk about what makes a diet anti-aging. It's not about magic potions or starving yourself, it's about smart choices. Here are 5 things you can start doing today.
First up, calorie restriction. Now don't panic. This doesn't mean eating tiny portions or feeling hungry all the time. Studies show that cutting just 12% of your daily calories, think skipping that extra handful of chips, can slow biological aging by up to 3%. That's like pressing pause on your internal clock. Focus on smaller, nutrient-packed meals and your body will thank you.
Next, the fasting-mimicking diet. Sounds fancy, but here's the deal. For 5 days a month, you eat specially designed low-calorie meals and then you eat normally for the rest of the month. This can reduce inflammation and reset your body, kind of like a monthly tune-up for your health.
Let's talk about whole, unprocessed foods. These are foods as close to their natural state as possible. Think raw veggies, freshly cooked grains, or fermented goodies like kimchi. Processed foods might save you time, but they can speed up cellular aging. No thanks.
Want to feel younger?
Yes.
Go green and red and orange and purple. A plant-based diet loaded with colorful fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes can lower your risk of chronic diseases by up to 50%. More color on your plate means more nutrients for your body.
Last but not least, healthy fats. Your skin loves these. Nuts, avocados, and olive oil keep your skin hydrated and elastic. So don't be afraid to drizzle that olive oil or add a scoop of guacamole.
Chapter 2. Lunch ideas for longevity.
Now that we know what to focus on, let's make lunch. I've got 2 super easy, super delicious recipes for you.
Recipe 1, Mediterranean quinoa salad with olive oil and lemon. Start with 1 cup of cooked quinoa. Add cherry tomatoes, diced cucumbers, sliced olives, chopped red onions, and a handful of fresh basil. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, and season with salt and pepper. Mix it all up, chill it for an hour, and boom! You've got an antioxidant-packed salad that's a lunchtime hero.
Recipe 2, grilled salmon wrap with spinach and yogurt dressing. Grab a whole wheat tortilla. Layer on fresh spinach. Sliced avocado and tomatoes. Add a piece of grilled salmon. For the dressing, mix Greek yogurt with a bit of dill and lemon juice. Drizzle it on, roll it up, and there you have it. A delicious grab-and-go option.
Chapter 3. Quick science breakdown. Let's take a quick science break. Why do these meals work so well? 2 reasons. Polyphenols and lean protein.
Polyphenols are powerful antioxidants found in fruits, veggies, and olive oil. They protect your skin from UV damage and reduce inflammation, keeping your skin looking youthful.
Protein is the building block of your skin. It helps repair tissue and keep everything firm. Plus, omega-3s in salmon lock in moisture, giving you that radiant glow.
Chapter 4. Ready to make your lunch a beauty secret? And that's it. 2 simple, delicious lunches that are not only good for your taste buds, but also amazing for your skin. Ready to make your lunch a beauty secret? Give these recipes a try and let me know your favorite anti-aging ingredient in the comments below.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on living your best, healthiest life. And stay tuned for our next video. We'll be talking about dinner for better aging that can rejuvenate your skin overnight.
See you next time.